Automate your workflow by connecting Python with Autodesk Robot Structural. This will allow you to automate many structures from geometry creation, load assignment, and reporting, and even reading results. I will show you basic steps how you can create a connection between Python script and robot. To start, we will need to install PyRobot Structural package. You can do that by just typing pip install PyRobot Structural. I already did that previously, so it says it's satisfied, but in your case, it will install a package. Then we need to import PyRobot Structural. And we can say as RBT. Then we will need to provide a path to DLL file, and in the 99% of the cases it will be the same as this one. The only difference will be robot version, so we need to adjust it. Next, to initialize the connection, we need to do initialize, and for DLL path, give the DLL which we already wrote. And the last one is to create an application object. And then all those 4 lines are enough to provide a connection between Python script and robot. To prove that, I will create a node which is node number and coordinates, and I will add one more. Node number 2, and then 2 meters in x-axis, and lastly I will just print a simple message. Before I execute this script, I need to open a blank robot model, so I will just go with shell structure, and here I can execute the script. It says finished. Robot does not automatically refresh screen, so I need to move slightly, and then I can see 2 nodes were added, 1 and 2, and this is the all the steps you need to create a very simple connection. For more advanced examples, please refer to documentation of the PyRobot Structural, which shows all more complicated cases with geometry creation, sections, shell objects, supports, applying loads, reading results. And I hope it will help you to automate your daily tasks in your engineering daily basis. Thank you for watching.